The city's hushed, a quiet rush under the neon's call. Cars on the overpass, racing through the night's cold thrall. The taste of autumn's gone, spring's still out of reach. Desolation's all around, bare branches, streets with a bleak. I'm like the quiet winter, my silence is a song. Long nights, my dreams, my solitude's a tune. In the corner of this room, lost in pages, pens are deep in thought. Crowds blur by, but I'm apart. Always lost in my own start. Online, in print through pages, that's how I touch the world. It's noise, it's haste, it doesn't match the rhythm of my girl. This is my life's rhythm, maybe dull, maybe obscure. Not everyone gets it, but it's in my blood, it's my pure. Who can see the real me? Or do I walk alone through the years in a silent roar? I'm like the quiet wind, winter, my silence is a song. Long nights, my dreams, my solitude's a tune. In the corner of this room, lost in pages, pens are deep